Today we are going to learn some of the basic things about Excel. Excel is one of the heavily used tools in any of the field. Either you have to do your calculations, either you have to create some invoicing system, either you have to create some mathematical calculations, tables that perform once set up, do the task kind of things. So this Excel is quite a useful tool that Microsoft develops as a part of Office. So today we are going to learn about the basic things about the Excel. In the next tutorials, we will go one step ahead and ahead so that we can have the better understandings of Excel, using Excel in our day-to-day life, as it is very good and very simple tool to use and very powerful enough. So let's start. As you can see, this Excel that we have opened is called as a workbook that resembles to a book that I am going to work upon. And inside this workbook, we have multiple sheets. Same like within a book, we have so many pages, so many worksheets, so many sheets. So same like in this Excel workbook, I have multiple sheets. If I would like to add a sheet in it, then I will do a plus. It will add a sheet to me. If I want to move across the sheets, I can press on the names. It will take me there. And let's say I want to delete this thing. I will right click it, go to delete, and it deleted the sheet. If I wrote something here, for example, this, and then in case I want to delete this sheet, I don't want this data to longer anymore, it will open me up a dialog that will ask me to delete this or not. So I am sure I want to delete it, so I will delete, and you can see now I have a single sheet. This single sheet, if you delete it, it will say to hide, delete, or move the sheet, you must first insert a new sheet. That means if we have a single sheet in my Excel workbook, we are not able to delete it. Now, these are the few options that we have in our Home tab. This is our paste. If something I copy, then I can paste with the help of this, or either I can use Control V option to paste my things here. This is same like the options that we everyday use, like paste, cut, copy. And this is one of the most important thing that helps me in formatting multiple cells by formatting one and applying to another. For example, let's say I wrote A, B, C, D. Okay. And then in this A, B, C, D, I would like to color it with green. Keep it on the center, and the font of this cell should be white. So as we talked about workbook, what is sheets, how to add, how to delete, let me add one more information here. As you see A, B, C, D, E, F, we are calling these things as a column. These are the columns in Excel. And the numbering that we are seeing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are called as row. So I have edited, and this particular one little box that you can see I am continuously selecting different. These are called as cell. These are cell. So this Excel have a lakhs of rows. You can say lakhs of rows we can save here. And there are same goes for the column. We have multiple thousands, lakhs of column goes on. So this worksheet one worksheet is able to contain many various sets of data. So now, as we are discussing about this format, this we are called as format painter. Now I want to make this cell same as ABCD. So one thing what I can do is I will go again back to fill color, then do the center, again change the font. These hectic things are keep on going one by one. If I have to make another cell here, which we name as do same as others. So now again I have to press three buttons. First I will color this cell, then again center it and change the font color. But instead of doing these many operations, I will go select the cell whose formatting I have to move to this cell. So I will go here, click this format painter. So now you can see there is one dashed set of rectangle that is keep on moving across that cell whose format I copied in this brush. You can see as I'm moving, there is a brush with my plus sign. So when I click this thing on my cell where I have written do same as other, it will copy the formatting of the cell from where I copied the format to the cell where I want to apply that format. In simple terms, this thing copies the format from one cell to another. This is to bold the text, this is to do the italics on the text, and this is for underlining the text. Now, what does this wrap text do? Right? So let's say I am writing the query string is too long to fit in single cell. So I wrote it like this. But what if I want to write something in column J, in column K? So it is always overlapping these three. The first thing that I can do is I will tap on the column, not like this. I will go to the column at the end and I will double click this. It will expand my column to fit my string, but it broadens the, you can say, the cell. But if we have multiple number of cells which we want to see in a single screen area, then this will be a quite tougher thing. For example, let's edit this one. The thing goes too big and I, I am not able to view another cells. So again, it goes like this. Now I'm going to copy the whole thing and paste it at the end. Sorry. Like this. So it becomes too big. Now I am not able to see anything after I. So after I, what should I do to keep these things in my single screen width? So I will go here, move this to the little one, and then do the wrap text. See, now this text is get wrapped kind of wrapped, or Excel fits the text into a single cell by expanding the width. So this is the way we used to do this wrap text thing. Now the margin center is if I want, if I am writing something, like for example, if I am writing a header, like alphabet, and here I wrote E, F, G, H. Now I want to make these two columns under a header alphabet. So instead of writing two times alphabet here, I will go and click on merge and center. So Excel merged these two cells into one and apply a formatting of center to this merge cell. If I want to change the formatting of this, I can go and I'm free. I can move it to left, right, top corner, top bottom, or in the middle, or at the center. So I think this is quite a good start for the basics of the Excel. We'll see next of these remaining conditional formatting, format as table, cells, and these many options that we have here in our next tutorial. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, and thank you for watching once again.